Now.
Today we're going to make a yarn ball. First, you put in some cornstarch. Then, put in a string.
Deep in.
And then you get the balloon. Look for the end.
You put the wrong kind of string, Josh.
Where is that kind of end?
I don't know. So we'll be right back to the show.
Let me show.
Okay, we're going to be right back after this clip.
It's so fun.
Goodbye. And well, cover.
You find the end?
Didn't find it yet.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay.
Oh, Mom, I've been doing this so long that my fingers are
Oh, there.
Yeah.
And then next, you put on the string. Put that.
Matthew, no.
While you do this, you put it around the balloon.
very tightly.
Very tightly.
Just tie enough, right? Yeah. You have to dip more. And you keep doing this
And you keep doing this
until it looks like what?
until it looks like a flower.
Until it looks like a pumpkin.
Until it looks like a pumpkin.
Like this one here, right?
Uh-huh.
And then you let it dry how long?
Overnight.
Overnight?
24 hours.
Okay.
Or 12 if you want short.
12 hours, right?
12 hours.
And then we let it dry.
And, okay, we'll have to need more string.
Say bye-bye.
No, not yet. We need to get some. We need more string.
No, but
Mama,
You just need
after Laura does this clip, we're gonna get back to with the string.
okay.
That's the clip.
There is all that they have
Oh,
been.
that's one's mine. That one's I don't know whose, and I don't know whose. Joshua's. I don't know whose. Mommy's. I think these are Matthew's, and this one's Joshua's. No.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.